Here we are at 1135 5th Street, unit number 17. You walk into a beautiful living room with an open floor plan, easy access to a dining area, kitchen. Here's your beautiful dining area. You've got perfect little area for bar stools, nice room for a dining room table. And we'll wrap back this way and see the living room, which is a really good size. You have access to a private deck off here. Private little deck. You come on out. This property is located back in the complex, so you have this private little area to play in. Here we go to the kitchen. Good storage. You've got the oven range, storage below and above, double sinks, nice windows. And we'll walk down here to the first bedroom. The bedrooms are a really good size. Here's the biggest of the two. You've got a nice closet space with mirrored doors, a little nook. And here's the rest of the bedroom. And we'll go into the bathroom over here. Nice shower over tub. And here's the second bedroom. Smaller than the first, but still a really good size. Here we go, wrapping around. There is covered parking, coin-op laundry in this complex, and you're several blocks, 2 blocks basically, from El Estero Park. You can walk to the beach, you can walk to downtown Monterey. The location is just killer. Like I mentioned, you're tucked back in the complex, so it's a very private unit. There we go, 1135 5th Street.